This video will demonstrate the process of daily and monthly cleaning on the Bonrefresh Tower Sparkling Water Dispenser. Wipe splash panel, external surfaces and areas around dispense nozzle with a clean, damp cloth. Remove drip tray cover. Use a soft bristle brush and warm, soapy water to clean the drip tray cover. Rinse and let air dry. Open cabinet door. Remove air filter from cabinet. Removable air filter can be cleaned in warm, soapy water. Rinse and let air dry. Replace air filter when completely dry. Use a soft bristle brush to clean the intake vent.